Okay, so I've now logged out as the administrator of the event, and I'm going to just step through purchasing a ticket for our event without having been a registered user. So I'll just go through the ticket flow without reg. Then I'm going to use a magic link to fetch to gain access to the tickets. I'll assign a ticket to myself, and then I'll be able to view that ticket. So if I go into our event that we created as the event organizer, I can see that we have our event instance. I'll click buy tickets. I'll take one ticket for the event. I'm going to put in an email address here that is not the same as the one that I used to create the event. It doesn't really matter, but do that. So now you can see that the purchase was successful, but because I don't have an account, I can't get redirected to view those tickets because I haven't got any sort of authorization. So what I can do is either sign up with a username and password, so an email address and a password. If I use the same email address that I used to create the order, then it will automatically get linked up to that account. If I don't want to create an account, I can request a magic link, which will give me sort of temporary access to those tickets. So if I do that here, you can see that I've had the initial email to tell me that the order is ready, and I've also had an email with the magic link in. So if I click on that magic link, you can see that I'm being automatically logged into the website using that magic link. So here, if that's correct, I can see that I have my order. That's a ticket actually, sorry. I can see here that I've got these orders that I've created, but if I click on this one here and assign it to myself, I can actually, until I've sent that ticket, I can reassign it to other people if I decide to. But once I've sent that ticket to that recipient, that ticket belongs there, that becomes their property. So as soon as I've sent that ticket on, I can no longer manage it. I'll do that now. You can see that I've lost those buttons now. At some point in the near future, I want to add the ability for people to transfer tickets to other users, basically at face value or less, and we'll take care of the Stripe transactions between those users, so that they can sell on those tickets if they're not able to make the event, say. So if I go now to my tickets, you can see that I actually have a ticket that's been assigned to me, and if I click the view ticket button, I can see information about the event. I have the map to show me where the event is. Things like support email, support phone, the event start date, the ticket type. The QR code for the ticket normally shows up here, but we have a small bug preventing that at the moment, which I'll fix probably tomorrow. So that's the purchase flow for unregistered users. If I log out now and quickly just log back in as the event organizer. See if it saved that correctly. No. So now I'm back into the website as the event organizer. Because I have an event that I've created, I have this go to your dashboard button on the main website. So if I click that, it takes me to the dashboard for my event. You can see that I have now got some orders that have been created and fulfilled, that I've just created during testing. None of them have been abandoned, and you can see that we have some visits on the website as well. If I go into this event, I can actually inspect those orders. So if I go into the actual event instance and then look at the orders, you can see here that we have these orders and they have been fulfilled, and we can see that this order has had one ticket allocated to it, and that one ticket has also been assigned to this recipient.